Cleaning professionals face tough challenges in buildings, schools, hotels, and even homes when they need to deep clean really dirty carpets. You have to have the right chemical, the right heat, and the right agitation to get the job done quickly and effectively so your customers' downtime is minimal and the results are obvious. EDIC and the Galaxy Portable Carpet Extractor line are two trusted names in the cleaning industry for innovative, high-performance carpet and floor care equipment. The Galaxy series of portable carpet extractors from EDIC deliver value to the owners by providing a high level of heated carpet cleaning power in a portable and durable package that is easy to use and maintain. EDIC Galaxy portable carpet extractors are backed by an industry-leading warranty and customer service team. The Galaxy series are the perfect tools for those tough, restorative carpet cleaning jobs and contracts. The Galaxy series come in three models: the 5-gallon Galaxy 5, the 12-gallon Galaxy 2000, and the 17-gallon Galaxy Pro. These portable carpet extractors come in a variety of pump configurations from 100 psi up to 500 psi to meet the needs of the professional cleaner. Order your Galaxy Heat Ready so you can add our unique heat and run external heating system at any time. The external heater not only minimizes wear on internal electrical components and is easily removed for maintenance with no downtime, but also delivers up to 2,000 watts of heated power for cleaning temperatures up to 213 degrees that help dissolve those tough stains. EDIC dual vacuum systems provide up to 210 inches of water lift for maximum soil and water recovery, and feature our intercooler system that keeps the vacuum motors cooler for long life. The vacs are easily accessible in the equipment bay and are mounted upright for longer bearing life. The waterproof control panel is conveniently located on the handle for easy access to minimize bending and stooping. The solution tanks have a nice wide opening that is low and angled to make filling the Galaxy extractors with water more effortless than competitive machines. The recovery tanks have self-adjusting mounts and quality gaskets for a tight vacuum seal, and also have a nice wide opening for easy access. On the Galaxy 2000 and Galaxy Pro, all connections and brackets are on the rear of the machine for protection and easy movement. The top models feature the Quick Connect for the solution line, a single twist lock power cord, the power prime and pressure release valve, a protected pressure gauge, the pump adjustment knob, and the inline filter. The rear of the machine also has the drain gate valve, heater mounting bracket, and the vacuum hose barb. Another benefit of having the connections on the rear of the machine is that you can easily move the machine forward during cleaning without getting tangled in the hoses and cords. Front-locking casters not only provide great maneuverability, but also secure the machine on uneven surfaces and offer stability during vehicle transport. When you are done cleaning, you can quickly disconnect the vacuum hose, solution line hose, and the power cord so you can easily transport the machine to a proper disposal location. A standard 5-gallon bucket fits under the drain valve for easy emptying as well. Packed with industry-leading features, the Galaxy series provide the ideal carpet cleaning package for restorative carpet cleaning in hotels and motels, healthcare and medical facilities, multi-story office buildings, retail facilities, educational facilities, and even in residential areas. The Galaxy series are versatile. Galaxy extractors with 100 psi pumps are factory set to optimum upholstery cleaning pressure. If you're using a Galaxy equipped with a 500 psi pump, you can dial down the pressure to easily take care of your upholstery and detailing jobs with one machine. The Galaxy series of portable carpet extractors provide value to the customer with restorative cleaning power in a compact and durable package, on-demand heat, powerful vacuum systems, smart design for easy operation, and easy service and maintenance.